So here I have 1 bowl of spelt berries, 1 bowl of Kamut berries. You're going to follow the package directions on how to cook this. You're going to need a total of 2 cups of cooked Kamut berries, 2 cups of cooked spelt berries. And you can use either or. You can use 4 cups of Kamut berries and 4 cups of spelt berries. You don't have to use the combination. But before cooking, I soak them for an additional hour in some hot water. And then you want to go ahead and get your water boiling. And I've just added both of the spelt and Kamut to the pot and cooked them according to the package directions. Now I've drained off the excess water and I'm going to go ahead and get everything in the blender. So I'm adding in my spelt, Kamut, and I've also soaked some walnuts overnight. So you want to soak your walnuts overnight as well, and put in about 2 to 4 cups of portabello mushroom. If you have the whole portabello caps, you can use 2 whole portabello caps as well. And then also I'm going to be adding in roughly chopped veggies, which will be 1 onion, 2 scallions, 1 plum tomato, 1 green bell pepper, and also 1 cup of chickpea. For your seasonings, you want to have 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of sage, a few dashes of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder, along with 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. You can use more or less red pepper flakes depending on how spicy you want it. You also want to put a little bit of fennel. If you really wanted to have a breakfast sausage taste, I would add 1 tablespoon of fennel. If not, maybe use about a half a teaspoon. And so I have everything nice and combined, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my baking pan. And you want to just shape it in the shape of a meatloaf. I made a meatloaf as well as some patties. So I made some for burger or breakfast sausage. Like I said, depending on what you want to use it for, you can make them the size you want. So I've baked it on 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And I'll let you see what it looked like before I add it on my tomato sauce. You can look up the marinara sauce to see that recipe. And this is what the sausage patties look like, or the burgers. And this is what the meatloaf looks like once it's been cooked. After 40 minutes, I cooked it with the sauce for an additional 10 minutes, and I've cut it so you can see what it looks like on the inside. It came out really nice and delicious. And here you can see it. I'm going to show you it without the light so you can see what it looks like in a more natural light. And here it is. Here is the patties that I've used to make a burger with. And so you can play with the seasonings to change up the taste in this, but it's a really good recipe, and this was courtesy of Tbs Alkaline Handbook, and I'll put a link to his Facebook page in the description box below.